Hello friends, welcome to my channel Think Different. This is Chatriya Varman. Today in our channel we are going to see about the next district which is Ramanathapuram. So without delaying, let's go into the video. Before going into the video, subscribe our channel to get our notifications immediately. Okay, now let's go into the video. Ramanathapuram district, also known as Ramnand district, is one of the 38 districts and administrative district of Tamil Nadu state in southern India. The town of Ramanathapuram is the district headquarters. Ramanathapuram district has an area of 4,123 square kilometer. It is bounded on the north by Sivaganga district, on the northeast by Pudukkottai district, on the east by the Palk Strait, and on the northwest by Virudhunagar district. The district contains the Pamban Bridge, an east-west chain of low island and shallow reefs that extend between India and the island nation of Sri Lanka and separate the Palk Strait from the Gulf of Mena. The Palk Strait is navigable only by shallow draft vessels. As of 2011, Ramanathapuram district had a population of 1,353,445 with a sex ratio of 983 females for every 1,000 males. Now we know the introduction of district Ramanathapuram. Now let's see the history of district Ramanathapuram. In the early 15th century, the present territories of Ramanathapuram district comprising taluks Thiruvadanai, Rajasingmangalam, Paramakudi, Ramanathapuram and Rameshwaram Kamuthi, Mudukulathur in Pandyan dynasty. For a short period, this area was under the kings when Rajendra Solan I brought it under his territory in 1063 CE. In 1520, the Nayaks of Vijayanagar took over the area under their control from the Pandyan dynasty for about 2 centuries. Marava chieftains, Sedupatis, who were lords under Pandyan kings and reigned over this part. At the beginning of the 18th century, family disputes over succession resulted in the division of Ramanathapuram. With the help of King of Tanjavur in 1730, one of the chieftains deposed Setupati and became the king of Sivaganga. Acting upon the weakness of the Nayak rules, the local chieftains became independent. Raja of Sivagangai and Setupati of Ramanathapuram were prominent among them. In 1730, Chand and Sahib of Karnataka captured Ramanathapuram. In 1741, the area came under the control of Marathas and then under the Nizam in 1744. Nawab's rule made displeasure in the mind of those chieftains. That made them declare that last Nayak as ruler of Pandya Mandalam against the Nawab in 1752. By that time, throne of Carnatic had two rivals of Carnatic. The British and French supported Chanda Sahib and Muhammad Ali respectively. It paved the way of a series of conflicts in the southern part of the continent. In 1795, the British deposed Mudramalinga Sedupati and took control of the administration of Ramanathapuram. In 1801, Mangaleshwari Nachiyar was made the Zamindar of Sivagangai. After passing of Queen, the Marudhu brothers took the charge by paying regular revenue to the East India Company. In 1803, the Marudhu brothers of Sivaganga revolted against the British in collaboration with Kattabomman of Panjalamakurichi. Colonel Agnew captured Marudhu brothers and hanged them and made Gauri Vallabha Periya Udaya Devar as Zamindar of Sivaganga. After the fall of Tipu Sultan, British took the control and imprisoned the Nawab. In 1892, the Zamindari system was abolished and a British collector was appointed for administration. Now we also know about the history of district Ramanathapuram. Now let's see the geography of district Ramanathapuram. Ramanathapuram is located at 9.38 degree north, 78.83 degree east It has an average elevation of 2 meters, which is 6 feet. The nearest towns include Paramakudi, Rameshwara, Mudukulathur, Kilakarai, and Manamadurai. These are geography of Ramanathapuram. Now let's see the climate of district Ramanathapuram. Ramanathapuram is 11 meter above sea level. This city has a tropical climate. In Ramanathapuram, the average annual temperature is 28.1 degrees Celsius, 82.5 degree Fahrenheit, about 912 millimeter, 35.9 inch of precipitation falls annually. These are climate of Ramanathapuram, and the present day collector of Ramanathapuram is Dinesh Ponraj Oliver. And the rivers that flow in Ramanathapuram are: the major part of Ramanathapuram district falls in Gundar Vaigai river basin. Vaigai and Gundar are the important rivers. In addition, Virusuli, Kotakariyar, Uppar and other rivers draining the district. And this is the map of Ramanathapuram in Tamil Nadu. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, share, like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel.